Hi there. So Higgsfield has just become completely free inside of Claude and ChatGPT. As you can see right here, they've dropped a special campaign where you get to try all of the top models unlimited for $0 with this special one-day free trial offer. This is a huge opportunity for anyone who likes to use AI video models because you don't need to spend any money to take advantage of it. And the best part about this specific deal is that you not only get to use the models on the Higgsfield platform for free, but you also get to use them completely free through the Higgsfield MCP, which is one of the absolute best features of Higgsfield. It basically lets you create videos, images, and other really cool stuff directly inside the Claude or ChatGPT chat window. You never need to leave the platform, and you can let your AI agent do most of the hard work for you. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use this deal and how to get really cool results from the Higgsfield MCP inside of Claude. I'll show you exactly how to set up the MCP very easily. Also, thanks Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. You need to understand that this is only free for 24 hours after you sign up for the free trial. If you don't want to get charged, you must cancel the trial within that window. But if you like the service, you can always keep the plan. Keep in mind, this only works for new Higgsfield accounts. You cannot use an older account to claim this offer. When you sign up, you do have to enter your credit card information, but again, just cancel within 24 hours and you won't be charged. After signing up, you'll have unlimited access to a ton of different models, but there are a few caveats to this unlimited period you should know about. For instance, Seedance 2 is completely unlimited at 720p resolution, with a maximum length of 8 seconds. You won't be able to go beyond 8 seconds in unlimited mode. If you want to generate longer videos, you will actually need to use your credits. We also have Seedance 2.0 Mini and Seedance 2.0 Fast, both with an 8-second limit, while Google Omni Flash is limited to 7 seconds. For the image generation models like Nano Banana 2, Seedream 5.0 Pro, and GPT Image 2, the quality limit is capped at 2K resolution. You won't get unlimited mode if you try to generate images higher than 2K. As for the Kling 3.0 video model, you get to generate up to 8 seconds at 1080p, which is great. The same 1080p rule applies to Kling 3.0 motion control and the 2.7 models. Now, if you actually decide to keep the plan and not cancel it, your unlimited free trial period gets extended from 1 day to 7 days, and you keep all of these same benefits. Alright, now, let me show you how to connect Higgsfield with ChatGPT and Claude so you can generate videos right inside the chat. It's actually very easy. For Claude, I've shown this multiple times, but here's a quick overview. Just copy the Higgsfield connector URL, go to your settings, click on the connector options, and hit the Add Connector button. Then click on Add Custom Connector, paste in the MCP link, give it whatever name you like, and click Add. Just like that, your connector is set up. If you mainly work in Claude, this is incredibly helpful. It basically allows Claude to generate video, audio, and images right in the interface, which is insane. I've already added it, and as you can see, the Higgsfield MCP connector is ready to go. Now, if you prefer working inside of ChatGPT, they've outlined the exact steps you need to follow. Just click on Add Higgsfield Plugin. You'll be taken to a web page where you just click Install Plugin, and it will automatically install it for you. From there, you just sign in with your Higgsfield account. After installing the plugin, you'll get the option to try it in the chat. They provide a default prompt, but we're going to remove that and try our own. Let's say something like, "Hey GPT 5.6 Soul, please create a really funny comic page using Nano Banana Pro and Higgsfield about how AI is going to take over the world." Now honestly, this prompt doesn't make much sense. I don't know how AI taking over the world is supposed to be funny, but let's see if the AI can turn it around and make an actually funny comic page out of it. The AI has finished writing the comic, and as you can see, it's successfully called the Higgsfield plugin. The title is How AI Took Over the World by Accident. In the first panel, a person asks, "AI, organize my inbox." The AI replies, "Done." You can pause the video and read the rest of the comic booklet yourself. Honestly, it's not as funny as I hoped. GPT 5.6 Soul is just kind of mediocre here. There's also a slightly faulty panel that it generated where the text lines don't really make sense if you read them closely, but regardless, the main takeaway is that the plugin is working perfectly. You can use it inside of ChatGPT or Claude however you'd like for generating content or whatever else you need. For example, one really really cool trick you can do with the Higgsfield MCP in Claude is to just ask the model what it's actually capable of doing. When it is able to use the Higgsfield MCP, I'm just going to give the model a prompt like, hey, what I want you to do actual research and find out what are the things that you're capable of when you're able to use the Higgsfield MCP. When you run that prompt, it lists all the features you have access to. We have core generation for images, video, audio, and 3D. We also have identity and reusable assets, which is amazing for keeping characters consistent. For post-production, we can upscale images, upscale video, and a bunch of other tools. One final tip, when you're generating images and video, it is very important that you explicitly tell the model to use the unlimited mode. Otherwise, the AI might accidentally use your actual credits. And I think the best way for you to use this campaign would be to experiment with different image and video models for something new that you haven't done before, like creating a short AI horror film. These experiments might have good results, but even if they turn out to be bad, you're not going to lose any credits. So this is something you should definitely take advantage of if you want to experiment with new things. So that was about it for this video, and please don't forget to check out Higsfield from the link in the description.